Back to the video everyone, and let's begin part 2. For now, since we are going for MVC pattern, so I will create some things. Let's say start with a service. Okay, then we need to create some more folders, controllers. Okay, then one more, which is view. Okay, and for now we going with these three. I will clean up all the mess for now. Okay, all clean, good to go, and it's too clean. Even though it is too clean. Okay, I yes, it's too clean. For now it's now saying the error, so let me create something. It's loading for now. So wait for a moment, or oh sorry, my net, this my assistance, or my co-pilot is working on. I will off this for 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes we will do this for us. So it takes time. Okay, yes, ready. STL and yes, stateless my app. Okay, it's now done. For now, since I've told you in the beginning, very beginning, that we have a get library for state management things. So here things little bit change. In inventory app, you need to have this get material app. Okay, this one. What does it do? So get material app first, and let us access a lot of things. So for now we let it be blank, and we start with our first thing. Service is the first entry point. So what is this? This is MVC pattern, means service will interact with the database. Controllers will handle our stage and scene management, like data, like where it's changing, where it's need to change, like that. And views for the views. Okay, so I will create at least 3 views. So let me just what to do manually, and no, let's do with style. So I will come in here, I will open my bash, git bash, since you guys also install the git with me. So I have so mail command touch. See, so for now I am at the my base of the this, so I need to tell dot, and similarly I want one more lib. What I'm doing, touch is a command in using like a bash, since it's a bash I am opening. So touch will let us create me easily multiple 3 files. So better have to know, like it's better to know, otherwise we are doing it. Sign up and login page dot dart. Okay, why no such file directory? Wait. Okay, I put it slashes. I think I should not have put slashes. It happens when you not done. Now see, we have what we have. We have I need to put this all in one go, in one place. Remove them please, and this one also. I'm supposed to put them all. So my mistake. It's my mistake. I take it as okay. So I'll get a views first. In here, first let's create a service first. So let me create a service. I will say auth service. What we do, it will just interact with our data, our Firebase authentication, Firebase auth installed. So we'll come in here. I will say class yes, auth service. Okay. In here, we just connect with Firebase instance, Firebase auth instance. Okay. So now come. Now I will say final uh, auth or with underscore. Okay, and equal to Firebase. Okay, so why not we first tell this thing that we have an auth package. Auth, yes, and auth dot. We have this. I will say Firebase auth dot instance for not instance. Okay, one thing done. Now we'll go to create details of methods. So first of all, we need to sign up. Like the one method responsible for sign up, one for for sign up, sign in. Okay, and one for sign out. So we need to create these all methods. First of all, let me create sign up. So okay, so if I say, because we are talking about network conditions, so we need to have this thing user, a user which one. Okay, so I will say yes, it's a user, it may be null. I will say sign in, sorry, sign up. SIGN and UP sign up. What we'll get? We will get a string email, okay, and then a string password. And since it's a async version, we need to do this like this, okay. And we will first create a try catch statement. Inside of this, we will say final credentials, okay. I hope I written right spelling. Sorry for that. Credentials equal. I will say yes auth auth dot create user with email and password, okay, because we are creating right now, okay. Let's put the semicolon. And if everything goes fine, we can say return. And you say return, okay, the credentials dot user. Sorry, credential dot user. Why is not? So try with Athens. Now for now we are making network call. We don't know how when it comes. So we will say wait for his detection. If this is done, then we get our user in here. Okay, user. Otherwise, we will say on. We know that there is a Firebase Auth exception. So catch e whatever e we getting, and then let us know. So return e uh, dot to string. Otherwise, say sign up failed. Sign up failed. Failed. True. E dot message to string. Otherwise, this. What is this? Okay, never been null. Okay, no issues. I thought maybe it's been null. For one stage, I thought. Let me format this up. Everything go. So this is for sign up. I was hoping that I can go for sign up in, but still, let us just say okay. And we also create one for this future, and let's go for sign in this time. Sign in. Just now we again need the same thing, string email or just for the sign in. Sign in and string password. Okay, in there I got again. Now what is this? So first of all, we let it know that is async also is async version. Now it happy. We need to give the user which one wala? We need a user from the Flutter, Flutter cappuccino. Okay, why not coming up? Where are we getting? Okay, nice. So we're getting Firebase. See, user is not normal user, is from the Firebase all this. So it's have lots of properties. We are gonna use it. Okay. So for now we can also let so maybe null. Copy this all thing. Or let me copy this all thing here. Okay, I copy this all and paste it down. Exact same, all same things. This is the cool thing about this, but just we need to change from here. We need to remove some sign in with email and password. Okay, so everything remains same. Everything remains same. We get authorization if not. Okay, and one more thing we need to do. Future. Okay, we say white. What when we are doing sign out. In this we are we need nothing. We just say await underscore. Oh sorry, why it's saying right now because we need async also. So say auth dot what sign out and then semicolon. Okay, done. I say okay. For now this everything all. The build one more thing. What for watching? Like user watching user status changes. This we need also. So what we need to create a bool. No, better create this. We need to create in here a stream. So stream for user auth changements. So what whenever something changes, this stream will let us know if the user is getting changed. Okay, so user stream user, what to say, name something. So I will say state, user state. Okay, I will coming down there. The return underscore auth dot state. Auth state changes this one. Now what is this? Okay, we may need to say that make me null. Nice, nice. And now we got this stream. Now we'll come in here. I will say uh, bool. Well, let's say bool. Create a getter. Bool get is logged in. We will say yes. How we can say? So we just say that underscore auth dot state. Oh no, let be. Oh no, let be. Okay. So be done with auth. Let's get a controller fast. So we create a controller in here. Okay. We create a auth controller. Okay. And dot art. In here we need to create class and say Firebase auth controller. Okay, it's quite nice to have. And I will say extends what getX controller, because we will using getX a lot. Okay, and here, okay, in this like this. So first of all we need to have access to this control A, control K, F. Okay, and in here I will just put the, first of all we need a final auth service, because we need to have the auth service, and underscore auth service equal to auth service. With the first thing done, then final RX. This is a cool thing. I like it a lot. User, Firebase user. Okay, so RX. I will say pass for now null. Okay, and here now we begin. So it's now asking me where is user coming from. I will say yes, user will come from here. Okay, so same here, we need to create a sign in, sign up, then again sign in, and then again sign out. Even though I am doing fast one, it may have chance that you guys are not able to do that fast, so you can pause my video if you want. Okay, so I will come in here. I will just say what, once again future, and I will say user, let's say future word, and sign in, sign up. What do we need? We need to have string email, comma, string password. See, it may look hectic, but the more the clear the code you have, the more the future reference you will have. Like you can come back and visit, put it in async. Okay, and here I will just call my auth service dot what to dot and dot sign up and good. Okay, since we have a chance that it will be showing some error, I will cut it up and again try. Okay, whatever we get the error, I will come and say this thing. Okay, so catch anything becomes up. I don't know what error will come up. This one. Since now we have access to get give us this thing get dot snack bar, and we say title error, or what is error dot to string. Whatever we get error, this one. Okay, similarly we can copy this up. Same goes here. I will sign out. So this method we need some signing. Okay, everything remains same, just we need to change in here sign up. Okay, sign out is not necessary, so I will not go with this one. I will say future, and it will be void. Okay, and I will say sign out. Sign out. I will just this go this one here. Okay, and I will say yep, it's racing as well. Racing, and now what to do? I will say auth await auth service, and I will say dot sign out. It looks quite easy, but after the understanding of this thing, you can say high square looks quite easy. Okay, we have now sign up, sign in, and this. Okay, have some mess somewhere. Yep, we do. I do messed up. So let me just move this one. Okay, sign in, sign up, sign out. Now we have everything done. We just need a basic view. Yes, we do need a basic view. So let's come in here. I will say class and stl stateful. Let's go for stateful. Yeah, let's go for stateless because now it's get us big to building all of things. So we have good things. Like, we don't need that much perfection in here. So like it will do everything automatically. Scaffold. We are now working on a yeah, very basic one, body. Sorry, and we will create a column children. Okay, and now I will say we need a text button, text box, text field, and let me just create two fields for us. So I will say final email controllers equal text editing controller one. Okay, then final password controller for like holding the data on. So whenever we type something similar to previous video and startings, text editing controller and that like. So we need to remove this cons thing. Okay, and now I say controller email controller. I will say and comma this one. I will say this one is password controller. Okay, and I will say the refresh bit up. Organize for now, and let's create a one the elevated button. We are not going with that one beautifulness. Otherwise, it would be quite fun to have all things. Next, I will say sign in. Sign in. Okay, nice. Nice. For now, it's done. We going for the one page only. Now, main page. I'll say initial yeah. So begin with login. We want our things to be login. Okay. So I will say get pages. So this one looks nice. So get pages because we're providing a page beforehand. So everything is beforehand. So slash login, come to down there. We just passed a bracket in there and let me just see the idea what happened. Okay. I say yeah, login page. It's now done. One thing done. Similarly, we need to go for the all three ones. So let me just go to straight and sign up. We have I will copy all things from this from here to the sign up page. Okay, and make it as a sign up sign up page. And similarly, I'll go. Wait, I just select it out. Control Shift L, with this sign up page. Okay, so now it's done. Fine, I done it done. Coming down there once again, copy all the things and paste again. I will not creating homepage for now. So I will create going to create this sign up. What's the page name? Sign up and a page. Okay, nice. Now the final one is homepage or dot. So I haven't written the correct spelling. Let me correct it. ठीक है मैंने कहा home page. Very basic. Let's go for the very basic, faster and basic because our time is getting extended. So I don't want that much to wait on here. I will say center. We have a center. We have a child, and let's create welcome to do app. For now, we are going with this. For that, okay, and F. Nice. So we have home page. We have just done this thing. Now come back once again, copy this in all and do this one more. And come in here. I will say home. For the home page? Home page we have home page. Okay. Why we did this all? Let me give a brief idea. We told that we have possible this page routings. We want initial build page from login page. Okay. I close this one. Now come in your auth controller where we handling stage. So whenever a sign up is done, come in here, say get. I want of all named of all named okay. So I want to go somewhere. Where you want to go? So after we done a sign up, so we are sure that we are logged in, so we just go home. Okay, copy this line and paste this to the sign in. Okay, come in here, home also we want to go. Sign after sign out, you want to where? You want to go in we want to sign out, so we will go in login screen because login is the first thing we want. And similarly, come in where? Come in, we need to come sign up, sign up because we need to sign up something. Okay, so in sign up, what we do, we say get what? Get dot, oh sorry, first we need to have access. Okay, so first let's find. Now we have a stage, so we can say one so first of all we need to tell which one of the, we only have this state controller, so we need to tell, and there is a binding we have. So bindings builder we have. Inside of this we will create a function. So what? So get dot put. What to put? We want to put a state. So with state auth controller. Auth controller. With auth controller we handle our state right now for now. Okay, I set it up. Now we have access to this add controller in every place. We don't need to input again and again. So I will say final. I will say auth state equal. So I will say get and this one auth controller dot find, not get dot find. What to find? So I will say yep, with user auth controller find this thing. So for now we have what? We have most of things ready. We just said that let me search for that. I will come in my function. I will say we have a auth state. We want to sign in. Okay, want to sign in. So sign up, sorry, sign up. We will need email. So I will say we have an email controller dot text we need dot trim. If there is some extra spaces, same will go for there. We will say password controller dot text we have and dot trim we do trim. Okay, and put the semicolon in here. Okay, so I will say this and this. So with this we have done the basic foundation of all everything. Okay, so if I want, let's say sign up logic is done, I want to start this. I say flutter run. So before doing anything at all, I will come in here. I will start my emulator first because it we need it most. Not ready. I think it's crashed a little bit. Okay, come in here, flutter run, and I will just run with the normally. So it does not, it tells me what happening with this run. It may time depend upon system, so mine will take a little bit time. Okay, as you see, my started finally. It take a lot of time for me. Not that much, but still it take a lot of. I will say not now. We don't want right now. I hope this does not show that much error. So what's now? Firebase app. Okay, the biggest issue of all. Like you are new, you will forget. There's a widget instead widgets binding. Flutter widget binding. So there's a method called Flutter widget bindings. Okay, this one widget Flutter binding dot insurance slide. This will test that before anything begins, we need to install the service all. Okay, see, it's not telling this. We have been to call Firebase. It's like that. It happens when you nah, you are supposed to miss somewhere, so you will remember. Yeah, that's the thing. We need to make it done. So it will not start. Yes, and to restart it again because the whole thing, it's got built like this way. So it should be doing something right now. But now we have async. Async, I guess. Yep. Is not look good. It doesn't look good. Where my one window gone? So where it is? So I need to go in login page. This is login begin because this is a login page. Oh, I should have written something. So let me just create something. App bar title. We need. We will say this is login page. We are not going with the fashionable. In my next app, we will go for very fashionable. For now, we are not. So let me just give something in here. Coming down there. Come in this in wrap in a padding. Okay, wrap in a padding just like this one, and I hope it's will work fine as organized. Now in here I will say decoration, input decoration. Okay, border I will say outline rectangle rounded rectangle. Outline input border was fine by me. Yeah, noise. Okay, I don't think this we don't need to this for now. Let me just hint text hint and text because we need it now. Otherwise how people will know that we need to put email in here. And I copy this all for now, copy this all for now till there, one step behind, and put it on same as here. That will save my time a little bit. Now coming down there, we remove this one from email to password and control K and F. Okay, nice. So yeah, we do the things. So let me just come in here. I will say Dave. Okay, at the rate Gmail. The mail should not be like real, so just need to keep the format. I will come in here. I will say Dave at the rate 1234. I will say sign up. Happen? Nothing. Nothing. Why? Why? Have I not called this? So sign up is not working. Why not? Okay, it's a blank one for now. So sorry. I comment down there. I need to one more thing. I will say text button. Why bit? Let me tell you why. So I comment down there. I will say get. I will say get dot of all name. So of all name is PV search for the where to go. I will say where to go sign up, and what the text will be. Let me come in text for the text. We will note love this text. We will say uh, sign up account and put a comma here. Otherwise, it will throw some errors. It's throwing is clear, so let's go. So since we don't have, we need to go in here sign up for account. Okay. Similarly, we copy this all. Why is here? I need to remove this one, remove unused imports. I'm gonna copy this all. I save my time a lot, so do the tricks. Control V. We just after throw some techniques. Not to throw some error. I know. So first of all, so I will come in there, select this all, Control Shift L, this sign up page, just done. Okay, and it's do the tricks. So I need some change here. Sign up, email and password. Go in login if we don't have account. So log in. Have account already. Let's say a statement. Have a account already, and I think do the trick. So sign up we have. When we came in sign up, we need to do sign up. I will say Dave at the rate gmail.com, and again I'll jump in there for the password Dave at the rate 1234. Quite basic one. And I also added it. I okay, and I also registers. We're not getting any errors. Why not? Don't tell me. Again, I made the same thing. Sorry. Yeah, copy sometimes run bug that might find. What is this place? Is this login page? I have happened to paste it too. Yep, I pasted it all. And while I pasted, final I will say auth state or no equal get, and I will say dot find what to find, or find the auth controller. Yep, auth controller, and this will do a trick. Coming down there, I will say yes auth state dot sign up. Sign up. What do we need? Email controller dot text dot trim. Okay. Similarly, you can password controller dot text dot trim. Okay. Nice. This is nice. Okay. So for now, let me just test it out first. I will test this one. This works fine and it's good for us. Okay, in one go it's happened. So let me check it once. Do we got something in here or not? So I will refresh it up. Okay, we got this till now. Similarly, we need to update similar things in here. Like first, let's say that my bad. Okay, so this sign up is working fine. I need to remove this thing. Okay, I come in login page. If someone okay, come in here. Just similarly, we need to not that one particular. I will say auth stage. We don't have auth stage right now, so let me create one auth stage. So final, I will say auth state equal what to do. I want to find that. Yep, similarly, but bad. X import library auth controller dot. Why not find by key? I will say t this and dot find find. Yep. Okay. Hey. Okay, nice. Now working. Coming down there, I will say here I just want auth state to sign in and email controller dot text dot trim. Okay, done. So now we think it will have because we don't want to be long. Okay, now this works. This works. Come in home page. So I will say Control Shift E, Control B, बंद किया मैंने E press किया, and then come in where I want to come in a home page. Where home page? This one. In here we just want, we don't want nothing. We don't want that much either. We just want to wrap a widget. We call it scaffold. Okay, scaffold doesn't have child, so we call it body sap. Nice. Now we come in here. I will say app bar. Okay, to do app. I will say actions. In actions, I will create a icon button settings. So I will say yeah, something like sign out. Sign out. Sorry. Sign out. We don't have something like this. It's loading for now. So log out. We have this thing. Okay, nice. In here, I will just say once again, same thing in here. I need to remove this constant first and come in there. I will say final auth. Once you get hang of this, what happening, you will get a lot faster. So get dot find, put the semicolon in front, find the auth control. We are first now we are controlling auth controller. Okay, and this way I can just say that we want what we want auth and log out. Just here, just by doing this, if you click in here, you will get to move in here. Login page. You already have a like account. For now, we have working similar things. If I do this, Dave and at the rate gmail.com, then again Dave at the rate 1234, then it's done. Peace. Yep, without any error, we are successfully doing everything fine. That's all for video. In the next video, guys, we'll do the Firestore, like how to store database, basic records. So see you.